Class conflict, unresolvable strife between rich and poor. The contradiction between the poor and rich, elevated to the political level, transforms into an irreconcilable and hostile relationship between the bourgeoisie and the proletariat, an issue rooted in history for centuries. The poor harbor both hatred and fear towards the rich, while the rich often dismiss the poor with disdain. Despite advocating for equality, the poor secretly desire equality with the rich. However, when a poor person becomes wealthy, they often look down on other poor individuals, strengthening hierarchical beliefs. This social conflict is profound and intricate, spanning millennia. The divide between the rich and the poor is a result of unequal wealth distribution and a substantial psychological gap. The root causes may lie in the concentration of power, resources, and deeply ingrained cultural perceptions. To address this issue, a profound understanding and attention to the essence of these class conflicts are required. Only by breaking free from pointless hostility and steering society towards a more just and equal path can we hope for a harmonious future.